Good morning,
Good
guys.
morning.
Welcome back. It's the Island Boy and Maria.
Yes.
Yeah, so we're just taking an early morning walk, you know.
Yep.
Yeah, we're right here in Priestman's River
Mhm.
in Portland. Yeah,
Mhm.
and they just want to see the sunrise, so
Yeah.
yeah, hopefully it will come up. Seems a bit cloudy, so I don't know
Yeah.
what will happen, but yeah,
We
let's
have.
go.
Let's go. It just. Yeah, I
Yeah,
want to see the beautiness
yeah,
like
for
of
real,
an early morning walk.
for real,
We've
for
been
real.
up since like 4 in the morning,
Yeah,
something
we woke
like
up
that.
early.
We woke up really early.
Yeah,
I'm missing my coffee.
yeah.
I accidentally opened the Smirnoff in the fridge, thinking it was juice, because you still half asleep. I drank 2, 3 sips of that, and it was like, full on. What the heck am I drinking? It was like alcohol
For real.
because it's got guano in it. It's got like energy in it.
True.
So, yeah.
And later on we head into Kingston. You know the
Yeah.
vibes.
Bob Marley Museum.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Mad thing.
Yeah, nice.
So I'll check in back with you guys later.
Yeah. Hey, good
Yeah, man.
morning.
Morning. Yeah. So
Yeah.
that's the vibe.
It's
Yeah, man.
fun. Let's go.
Yeah, mad
I
thing.
think you said 200 meters down and you'll get to the beach.
Yeah. Trying to find a beach here, guys. There's a beach close by.
I want to just watch that
So
sunset come
trying
up.
to find that.
So you said sunrise.
Yeah.
Sunrise. He made me say sun. Anyways, it's his fault.
Sunrise.
He started it. Look at this
Yeah.
nice place. They
Nice
got some
houses
nice
here.
houses with flowers in the front and just
Yeah.
really pretty.
It's
Yeah.
amazing. The morning is cool and just look at the view.
It's
Look where we're
beautiful.
walking, guys. Like here, yeah, pretty nice. Okay, guys. So we'll check back with you guys
Yeah.
a little bit. Right.
Yeah.
I know you need a holiday. Let's go away for 6 months, twice in a year, baby.
So we're right over here.
That's like a church
Yeah,
thing,
yeah. So, guys, we find a little track which we think might lead to the beach. So, yeah,
Fingers crossed it does.
yeah.
Yeah.
Morning.
Morning. Wagwan, everybody. We are walking down this track to the beach at 6 o'clock in the morning. Gonna watch the sun go up.
Yeah, the morning feel cool.
Yeah, definitely.
Nice little walk.
Nice breeze and just looking at them beautiful houses,
Yeah. That's the big houses building.
They're like
guys.
building and things. Yeah.
It's wicked. Just look at these ones, like they're working on them.
Definitely. 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe even 5.
Jesus, they're huge.
They're massive.
All of these guys are like just building up. Think this might be like a apartment building or something.
Oh, what?
Apartment building or something.
Yeah, it could be.
Yeah.
By the bottom one, you can
Yeah, I
tell
bet
it's
they have a
like-
nice view to the ocean too.
I bet.
Yeah.
And I
Oh,
love the use of water tanks.
I'm seeing the ocean now.
Oh, wow. I never discovered this one.
Bingo, we found it. Yes, Rasta. Right on track. Yeah. Yeah, some fish trap here. These are the sticks I always tell you about. That we used to make them. Yeah. Ooh, guys, we found it.
Wow.
Amazing.
This is probably where they have like, maybe. My arms are gone down.
Yeah, for real. Wicked. We found the beach, guys. Seems a bit rocky. Yeah. But it's nice, nice view. Oh, nice. We made it. Yeah. Look at those goats up there. Look at all those goats. See them, babe?
Yeah, I know. I'm just like, look at all the plastic.
Yeah.
This is what kills our fish, babe.
Yeah.
I'd love to know what goes down there.
Good, baby?
Oh, hi.
You good?
I'm good. I'm admiring the beauty.
Yeah.
But then I'm also admiring the not so beauty.
Yeah.
But, you know, there's good and bad in everything, right?
True.
Just learning how to fix things better.
Mm.
It's the right way.
That rock, guys, almost look like a turtle. All of that. Yeah. Look at that. So wicked. Alright, we're gonna go a bit further to see what's around here. Yeah, let's go. Look, we got the moonlight. Yeah. Hey guys, this is pretty quiet. Love it. Seems like it's a river that runs out into the ocean, you know?
Yeah.
Birds flying around and all that. Yeah.
Butterflies.
Yeah. A boat on land right here. And another boat right here.
Wow.
Yeah.
I know what's down there, baby. Same sort of thing.
Yeah. Some birds up there, guys. Yeah. I'm hearing music as well. Can you hear it, babe?
That's how I'm like,
Yeah, I'm hearing music. Guys, we're getting deep. We're going deeper and deeper. Yes, we don't know what to expect. Oh my God.
I love the like. Look at the trees. It's so green.
Yeah.
Everything's so pretty. I love nature and things. So going for wicked walks like this is like, wow.
This is
I
like.
know maybe we shouldn't. Like we're not doing anything, just looking around, videoing and stuff. But
Oh, look at this place.
wow.
Right here, guys.
Rastas live here.
Whoa.
No, actually.
Jesus. This place looks scary, babe. Jesus. Oh my God.
Right.
We're going deeper and deeper, guys.
It's on the fridge.
Oh my God. This water goes all the way up. Jesus.
I still hear music. It's like we're getting closer and
Yeah,
closer.
closer.
Yeah, I'm scaring you now.
No, it's not me good.
That's something good. Wow.
Jesus. No, babe, I think Gani Palmer is coming now. Yeah.
You're gonna put that music.
For real.
Scary. Sounds like a road.
Yeah, probably the main road. Ooh, Jesus Christ, I feel mosquito. Yeah, guys. That's the bridge.
What
Me
bridge?
Jesus, this is the bridge.
What bridge?
The main bridge where we drive on. That's the main bridge. So we come all the way. So that's the main road up there. That's the main road up there, guys. Ah, so this road leads right underneath the bridge. Okay. Jesus. Makes sense now. Alright, so we're heading back. Yeah, that's it. That's it for the journey. It was nice.
Yeah, but we're still going to Bob Marley Museum.
Yeah, we're heading to the Bob Marley Museum today, guys. Straight into Kingston. Straight! Hey, see me, so I'm mad thing. Nice.
I think it'd be fish here. Animal. What animal is that though?
That's a bird.
Yeah, what kind of bird? What's its name?
I don't remember what they call them, but yeah, they eat like fish and like crabs and stuff like that. Yeah, guys, so it's nice little walk. This is our good friend them. Yeah. Man. They're wild. It's mainly female. They all look inkid, as we would say.
What's that mean?
Meaning they're pregnant. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Belly are so big. Yeah, guys, so we just make a fruit stop. Get some fruits. You know the vibes. Yeah. What? That's how you guys. That's how you guys.
What do you call it?
I don't know what that is.
Pear.
Okay.
You want to try?
Alright. Much? Let's celebrate.
$800 pound, half pound fee, 400.
For what?
Grape. You want it?
Up to you, yeah. I don't care. Yeah.
Alright. Give me half pound of grape.
You just come here, so just a ball on the price of.
I'm going to do that.
So cookie.
Yeah.
But I want it.
we can record outside. Yeah guys, so we're at the Bob Marley Museum.
Yeah,
Look,
the Bob Marley Museum.
that's the famous picture I see everyone take.
For real, definitely.
Still here in the parking lot at the Bob Marley Museum. They say no filming is allowed, not even on the premises, not even outside. That's just crazy, but yeah, that's the vibe guys, you know, lots of people rocking in and ting. We just done the tour, you know? So yeah, we enjoyed it. Yeah, it was an eye-opener for me, you know, some stuff that I never actually knew, you know, so yeah. Bob Marley had 12 kids. Yep, 12 kids. And he died at 36, at age 36. You know, at 1981. Yeah. For real. It's amazing, guys. Come check it out for yourself. Believe me, you'll learn a lot. You know, you'll be inspired. The good vibes.
The entry for that one is $25 US.
$25 US.
Or 3,000 Jamaican.
You know, so yeah, pretty reasonable. Yeah, it was worth it, guys. Believe me. Yep. So that's it, guys.
Gonna have some lunch somewhere now.
Yeah, somewhere. I'm gonna link up with my friend in Kingston, Prince Chase. Yeah, and I don't know. We'll take you guys along. You understand? And don't forget, guys. Please subscribe to my channel. You understand? I need some subscribers. Need to get my channel to 500 subscribers now. You understand? So let's go, guys. I'm at it. Yeah, man. We're doing it.
You make me fall in love. Hola, mi chica. We have a bad man in this. Where them feel like. Bumbo fly. Where them feel like. We in the garrison. They in the armors now. We have bad man in this. Oh my God. What do them? Yo, style. Pow, pow. Yes, that's alright, you know the parts, I know the parts. Alright then, some of us again. Say alright then. Say everything is still the same. My heart still ache. I'm not the person I used to be. I know. I am to let go. No. Say I don't matter how we try, we just can't relate. So it's best we wake up to face. It just cannot work, so don't depend on me. Hey, so it's lonely in a world full of people. Now you call them people what they call evil. Left with this gun to on my side and this gun in my hand. Now my life is a mess, yeah. I've wasted enough time to get back to my life. While the water's still running, I think I'll make it all before it dries, yes. And curious what's on my mind. I'll be making while the sun shines. Then I know my goals are way behind, but half is the try. See when you fall apart from behind, your windows start suffocate. I don't know them don't really care about your pain. Them end up in that trouble and now you get the blame. Now I've been searching for the wrong things in life, and I burned my bridges before I crossed over. Take my love they ever show you. No one grateful, you know that. Said I've wasted enough time to get back to my life. While the water's still running, I think I'll make it home before it dries. Curious what's on my mind. Have to make haste while the sun shines. I know my goals are way behind, but I've still trying. Hey, today's the day I'm gonna make a change. The struggle is real and I can feel the pain. What's good for you might not be good for me. So your race is your race. This is my pace. I just can't ever slow down. Put on your shoes, touch the road now. You got this. Now all you need is practice. Can't make them come stop this, cause you are the options, yes. wasted a long time. Time to get back to my life. While the water's still running, I have to go make it home. Alright then, let me tell you, always like to make love, yes. When the moon just a wake up, yes. Come let me take you to the beach house. Make up something, tell your man or just sneak out, yes. Come make we look on the first night. Call it your pervert, that the sound right, yes. Your love goes on your whole tight. Then one know up in myself cause most girls lie. Say you a big woman, you're not most right. Every picture you post I get the most likes, yes. Come take a ride on the big bike. It can get here, cool and appetite, yes. And come brace up your body for this. You don't know me when you want to. Ha. Let's go now. Them know we on a roll now.
Hey my people, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.
I have to finish